21st century world, becoming successful in any career begins with a strong understanding in STEM. With a solid foundation in coding and engineering, students can apply this knowledge into academic subjects and later into various career paths. Anything becomes possible with the right start. At RoboThink, we help nurture the inner geniuses in children by sparking an interest in coding, robotics, and engineering skills at an early age. Now, RoboThink's exciting programs are available online in our virtual STEM classrooms. Your young engineer can now learn important 21st century skills from the comfort and privacy of your home. How does it work? RoboThink's master engineers lead a group of students in our virtual STEM classroom, which mimics a live classroom environment with features like a virtual raise hand function, collaborative tools, and rich multimedia. Using our online-specific curriculum, students have a blast learning about coding with our helpful master engineers guiding the way. With a dynamic range of online STEM courses, such as video game design and Python mastery, RoboThink is sure to engage and excite your child in the world of STEM, no matter what the age and skill level. And parents and kids alike are loving the classes. The learning doesn't end after the class is over. RoboThink students have unlimited access to RoboThink Online, an online STEM learning platform to continue to build and modify their code and to share their creations with RoboThinkers from around the world. Every day at RoboThink, we are inspiring and educating thousands of students in the exciting world of STEM. Why not unlock your child's inner genius with RoboThink? To get started, visit us at www.robothink.co.uk to find RoboThink Online and programs near you.